Still searching for that elusive first victory as the head coach of Harbourview. Another tough 1-0 loss here this afternoon. There were chances for you to get back in this game, but it just never happened. Still struggling in front of goal.
Well, regardless, it don't score. I think my team showed some character today. We fight from the start until the end. Unfortunately, we never score a goal. We create some chances, never finish them as well. But nevertheless, we still have to continue fight.
Two former players are back in the squad. They look good early. Do you think fitness is a challenge for them? And is that something that you think if you get them to the level of fitness that you want, and they'll be able to impact the team in the way that you desire to start getting goals?
Probably definitely have a couple of games. Probably they can improve their fitness and also more rhythm, sharpness, and hopefully at that time we can get going as well.
But it must be good to have players who know the Harbourview football back in the squad in the transfer window to strengthen the team as you look to get out of the predicament that you're in.
Yeah, definitely we need quality, and those two players, along with the other qualities we have, can improve the squad.
And a very you control all of the second half, but finishing cause but that be a positive going into your other game.
Sometimes it's not just we not finishing. With the ball is on target, the goalkeeper was excellent as well. You have to give him the credit. You know, it's not all about just we not finishing, but the goalkeeper makes some excellent stops.
All right, respect.
But